Hey guys, Christian over at Enfit Car Stereo. Today we're in a 2015 Ford Transit. We're going to show you how to remove this radio. Now, we gave a local customer a discount to film this. We're actually looking for someone who wants to install an aftermarket radio so we could do a radio installation video. So check the website. If you don't see a video, give us a call. All right, everybody else sit tight and we'll show you how to take this thing out. All right, guys, so first part of this install is going to be to pop this piece off. I just pull it straight and it kind of comes right up. All right, and then once you pull it up, so basically what it is that these two, the thing is basically supposed to pull up this way, but there's really no way to get it from back here. So I just pull up on the front and then the whole thing just pops right out. As you can see right here, you'll see 1, 2, 3 clips, and these are kind of like plastic and light and they don't really do much. All right. So now for the next part of the install, there are a couple screws that you have to remove to take this out. Now I'm gonna do a iPhone camera. See, what happens in the past is that I used to film the actual removal of it, and I used to move the camera, but then what happens is when I do that, it never comes out right. All right, so I'm gonna take a picture, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show it to you on the screen. So in this picture, you're gonna see the 2 screws that you have to remove. All right, so there's 2 screws in the middle, and there's just 2 screws on the outside. Just want to make sure the picture that I get. All right, guys, so I had to cut and edit because it was taking too long. So when you look at the picture, there's going to be 2 screws on the inside, 2 screws on the outside. The 2 screws on the outside, you do not have to, on the inside, you do not have to remove. You have to remove the ones on the outside. The ones on the inside, what they do is that they hold this screen to this bracket. So what we're looking to do is remove the screws that hold the bracket to the rest of the dash. Hopefully the picture I took is good enough. And then once you get this, basically pops right out. All right, so let me show you real quick. Right, on video, can you, there you go. All right, so you see how these 2 screws are up here? This screw, you don't want to take that out. You want to take off this one because this is the one that holds it in. See, this holds to this, we don't need to take that out. This holds to this. So the ones in the middle that are right here, you don't take out. The ones back here, you do. So the way this comes out is you push this in right there and you pull back, and this is just a regular German clip. Once you lift that out, it automatically disconnects. All right, now put that off to the side. All right, guys, so now that we got that one piece out, there's 2, this whole top piece has to come out. Now there's 2 screws in here that hold it in. I'm gonna go in there with my iPhone and shoot a quick video. Hopefully this works out. All right, so you see right there, this is the whole centerpiece. Now I'm gonna light it up with my other light. You look over here, you will see there's 1, and then on the opposite side there's 2. Those 2 right there gotta come right out. All right, so hopefully that worked out. All right, guys, so now this is a panel tool set, PPT 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're made of special tools, plastic, so they don't mar up the dash. You don't really need them for this job. You can kind of pull out like a Savage, but I'm going to use them just because since this piece up here, you have to stare at. I don't want to warp it and then you have like a bubble that you have to stare at your whole life. All right, because you guys usually kill these things like 100,000 miles, your road trucks. All right, so that's out of the way. Now, radio, over here you have 2 more screws. I'm using a 7 millimeter socket. I'm pretty sure there's probably an American equivalent. No, 7 fits pretty tight. I thought it would be something different, but nah, it's a 7. All right, so now that you have this out, you just gotta put your fingers in this little corner, pull. Now you got these. Now don't be a savage down here. That one down there is, so these are the little ones that break when you're a savage. So I recommend, actually not that one. Do a PPT 3 if you got the set. And then you can kind of put it in here and pry. Also don't forget that I took this out once before, so it's a little bit easier to take out than the first time. The first time that bottom piece gave me a lot more trouble. Now we're gonna turn this bitch around. Bad boy, I mean, excuse me. All right, squeeze in here. That disconnects here. The main control panel, and squeeze in here. That disconnects your flasher and your think there's an airbag light in there. So if I don't say nothing about the airbag light, that means the airbag light did not come on when I turned on the vehicle. Now, I also have not turned on the key. So that's very important, because if you turn on the key, you can run into a problem. Now, to take out the radio, you got 2 more bolts. Screws, I mean, they're all the same. Okay. Now, this goes over here. Blout. Plenty of room. So this is a harness. Just squeeze on the top. Comes right out. Now, this over here. Boom, boom. This thing's a pain in the ass. All right, so, sorry, I'm cursing a lot more in these because this is a Ford Transit. Most of the guys that are watching this is a bunch of guys who use them for work. Not that you curse, but it tends to be more that way. You ladies, no disrespect. I'm a big cursor, even though I don't curse on this channel. So basically, there is a male in there, and this female went over it. So to get this out, this is a little bit of a pain. You got to squeeze down, and as you squeeze down, kind of wiggle. It comes out. It really sucks though. All right. So basically what happens here is when you push down on this end right here, the front goes up and releases. Well, there you go, you see? So that's what it was supposed to do, but this is, honestly, this is the worst connector I've ever seen anyone use. I don't know on any, this is called a FACRA, this is what it's called. So, alright guys, that's how you take out the radio. So, like I said in the beginning, we're looking for somebody to do a radio installation video. We have the radio installation parts for this. We have custom dash mounts for this where you can mount your phone. We have one of the coolest holders I've ever seen, just came in today. So this is a wireless charger. I don't like wireless charging. If you like wireless charging, this is the one you want to get. This is a 10 watt one, so it works really good with Android phones and iPhones. I think it only gets 7.5 if you like wireless charging. So now, this drops in, and as you drop it on the bottom, it squeezes the sides. All right, there's a couple different versions of this, so if you're using it as a holder, contact us. The thing is that the one that is only a holder is like $10 cheaper, and it doesn't look anywhere near as good as this. So if you look, oops, down here, see it has a port for the charger. Now this has a ball, all right, and this is meant for a vent. I hate these things because you always end up breaking your vents. Now, like I said, we have custom holders for this car, and then what will happen is that I have the ball to 4-point mount, so that way you can attach it. Or if you're a savage, you can just attach it right here, like a lot of you. I've always have those guys who say, well, I'll drive this truck into the ground. I'll just drill 4 holes in the dashboard. Why am I going to? I'm like, just spend the extra money. But anyway, that's it. My name is Christian. Own and fit car stereo. We're in New Jersey, right outside of New York City right now. I say right now because I keep talking about moving, but it's been 20 years and I'm still here. Yeah, so yeah, we sell, we install, we ship worldwide. If you're a shop, we have wholesale accounts. My name is Christian. If you made it to the end of the video, do me a favor, give me a like, leave me a comment, subscribe. We're trying to do a lot more videos lately. And that's it. EnFitCarStereo.com. My name is Christian. Thank you for watching.